Visual Studio Code versus Visual Studio. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into a common developer question. Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio. Both are popular tools from Microsoft, but they're designed with different needs in mind. Let's explore their unique features, benefits, and limitations to help you choose the right one. First up, Visual Studio Code. Often referred to as VS Code, this lightweight, free, and open source editor is known for its simplicity and versatility. It supports multiple languages like JavaScript, Python, and C++ right out of the box, making it ideal for quick coding tasks or smaller projects. It has an amazing customizability as VS Code allows extensive customization. You can install extensions for different languages, themes, and tools, transforming it into a very personalized editor. It has a very intuitive interface as it's designed to be simple, intuitive, and highly responsive, appealing to developers who want to code without being overwhelmed by too many features. VS Code shines in web development and scripting tasks, where speed, simplicity, and cross-platform compatibility are key. Now, let's switch to Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a robust, full-featured IDE targeted mainly at developers working on large-scale applications, especially in the .NET ecosystem. It has a professional and enterprise version, though a free community edition is also available for beginners or smaller teams. It's an all-in-one solution as Visual Studio supports the entire development lifecycle from design and debugging to deployment. It has advanced debugging and testing, as it has powerful debugging tools that are far more comprehensive than VS Code. Visual Studio also includes tools for testing and profiling, making it ideal for enterprise-level applications. It has integrated team collaboration as it integrates easily with Azure DevOps and Git, allowing for efficient team management. Visual Studio is particularly suited for developers working on enterprise solutions, desktop applications, and complex backend systems. Now, let's break down some key differences. For the purpose, VS Code is best for lightweight coding, while Visual Studio is a full IDE suited for complex projects. For performance, VS Code is much faster to load and works smoothly on lower spec machines, whereas Visual Studio can be heavier on resources, but it provides a deeper feature set. For the cost, VS Code is completely free, while Visual Studio offers a free community version but charges for professional and enterprise editions. Now, your choice depends on what you're working on. So if you're a web developer, prefer lighter tools, or work across multiple operating systems, VS Code is likely the better fit. For larger projects, particularly in C or .NET, Visual Studio offers a more extensive set of tools to manage and optimize your code very effectively. Hopefully, this breakdown helps clarify which tool fits your needs. So whether you go for Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio, both of them offer excellent environments to develop quality codes. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.